Hi parents, I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to enter your child's parent-teacher conference if you're getting a link in your Class Dojo account. So, in Class Dojo, you're going to see something that looks like this. This is the Google Meet invite. When you click on this link, it's going to try to open the Google Meet application, which will allow you to go in and have a parent-teacher conference virtually with your teacher. So I'm going to click that now. It sits me in a kind of a partial waiting room before I can go in there. It has the button Ask to Join. I have to hit that first. You also want to make sure your mic is on and your camera is on. And I'm going to hit Ask to Join. And it says I'm just waiting for the teacher to let me in at this point. And now the teacher's let me in, so I'm in their virtual classroom. And I would be talking to the teacher now and ready for my conference. And once I'm done, I'm just going to hang up my phone and leave the conference. And that's how you join a parent-teacher conference virtually in Google Meet.